Hello, in this video I'm going to show the home screen tricks on AGM H6. Okay, to launch the customization menu, all we need to do is to hold on an empty space on our screen, just like that. From here we can quickly change the wallpaper and style. In here, to change the wallpaper, simply click on change and you can select the wallpaper from the ones that are already downloaded on your device, or you can pick a photo from your gallery. Simply click on allow and you'll be able to manually select your own wallpaper. If you want, you can enable the dark theme. It is up to you. You can also enable the themed icons. You can see that now they look differently. And also you can change the app grid. We have three modes, 3 on 3, 4 on 4 and 5 on 5. You can see how it's going to change. I'll stick to 4 on 4. If you want to change, simply select other mode and click on apply. Now the grid has been changed. Let's hold again and now let's go straight into the widgets. In here we have a list of apps of which we can create a widget. So let's add a YouTube widget. We have 2 styles available. Let's say I want this one, so simply hold and now place it anywhere that you want on your screen. Here it is. And now we have quick access into our YouTube. Really cool thing. Alright, let's hold once again. That's how we can create a widget, that's really easy. Some apps has a lot of widget styles that you can select. For example, when it comes to the clock, we have 5 widgets that we can add. Okay, but let's go straight into the home settings. In here, you can enable or disable the notification dots. You can disable to add app icons to home screen for new apps. So simply if you install a new app, if this mode is enabled, it will automatically appear on your home screen. You can show the Google app when you swipe left from main home screen. Let me show you. So basically in here we have articles that we can read and we have quick access to them when we swipe to the left side from our main screen. Some people like it, some people don't. If you want, you can turn it off right in here. We can allow home screen to rotate. Let me show you. Oh, you need to click on that icon to change, and now we have our home screen in horizontal level. If you want to change it, rotate your phone and click on that icon. And everything goes back into default mode. If you click on the home screen, you can select the style. Currently, I'm using the regular one with the app drawer, but you can select the no app drawer mode, and simply all of the icons will be on your desktop instead in the drawer. How to launch the drawer, you will say. Simply slide to the upside, and in here we have our drawer with all of our apps. So you can pick the drawer mode or no drawer mode. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.